Hi, Victor. Corey here. Joe told me to send the screencast to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips that you can apply to your website so that way you can actually start getting some higher rankings and start pulling in those quality leads that you're trying to get. So I got your website pulled up here. First thing I want to go over is having like some sort of percentage off, money off, or even like a free estimate or something like that. Just kind of helps navigate people on where to go. Oh, click to book an appointment. Got something there. I'd blow that up and make it a lot bigger and help with that navigation a little bit more. So all this content here all the way through here. So Google likes to be really euphoric when it comes down to content. I like to be around 1,500 to 2,000 words and just being really euphoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, we need enough content in there so that way we can layer other keywords on what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these little images, it all matters. And instead of putting stars behind there, you can actually do keywords, and that'll just make a world of difference for your rankings. And if I just go inside of a heating repair San Jose, right inside of Google, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees, which is just another form of paid advertisements with Google. They came up with these Google guarantees, and it looks like they put the ads at the bottom now. Yeah, a lot of people have been going away with these ads because of all those spammy phone calls. But these Google guarantees help weave out some of that spam calls. So Google came up with these Google guarantees there. And then this little map section here, to get the rankings here, is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has, but we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking our competitors. Underneath this little map section is really where we're going to have all that organic traffic that happens. Now, this organic traffic, it really comes down to how euphoric you are with your content on your pages. Make sure you're being ranked for those keywords that you're actually being found for, as well as what's called what's called a backlink. What a backlink is it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I just take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So if we kind of just want to do a quick overview. So right now you got 122 referring domains, which is pushing back 711 backlinks. I can see that you started your journey with your website back in 2013 or so. Had a continue incline in your backlinking. Historically, you've had over 3,000 backlinks. Backlinks will come and go, which currently you have 711. Out of your 121 keywords, or excuse me, out of your 121 clicks on average to your website, you can actually see what keywords are being pulled from that. So kind of give you an idea of what you're ranking for. Air quality, Minneapolis, all system heating and air, heating service, air conditioning repair, Santa Clara. There's 20 clicks on that keyword. So I'm looking more for these buyer's intent keywords. Like furnace repair, San Mateo, CA. There's 10 clicks. HVAC repair, Fremont, CA. 20 clicks. Oh shoot, furnace repair San Jose. There's 70 clicks every month. There's your 21st position, so you're missing all the traffic. Let me see. Go to the second page. Okay, there we go. AC repair San Jose, CA. Your 19th position, and there's 50 clicks every month with that one keyword. Air conditioning service San Jose, your 19th position. You're missing all the traffic. There's 50 clicks every month with that keyword. Air conditioning San Jose, CA, 50 clicks. San Jose air conditioning, 30 clicks. Air conditioning repair San Jose, there's 150 clicks with that one keyword. Your 24th position, you're missing all the traffic. These are the keywords that we actually need to go after and hit them really hard, because there's 150, 30, 50, 50, 50, 1, 2, 3, 330 clicks just for those a few keywords. So really having high quality backlinks plus the content on your pages will make a world of difference. Anyway, so if you see any value in anything that I went over and might think that I might have a few tricks up my sleeve, feel free to give me a call back. My number is 702 292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks. Bye.